Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about two coins that my channel loves. I know you guys like these two coins. One of them a lot of you guys might have given up on, but I haven't. I'm still holding it, still waiting for the team to go ahead and do some cool things, but I still have a eensy weensy bit of faith, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about Omi. So first things first, I want to look a little bit at the market to see where we are with our charts. We're starting to see a little bit of different things happen on our charts than we've been seeing, so it's getting a little bit interesting. I feel like we are coming to a point where something has to happen. We need a major move to happen, whether it's up or down. It's coming, so let's just be ready and have a plan for either one. So first things first, with Omi, so the giveaway, I haven't actually talked to the winners of the giveaway. So if you're the winner of the giveaway, check my community section, go comment on there. You have until tomorrow. If there's no winner by tomorrow, then I'm gonna have to give away those tokens to somebody else, because they're not mine anymore. I gotta give them to somebody. So let me know. But anyways, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, share the video, help your brother out. First things first, Bitcoin at 57. So looking at this Bitcoin chart, seeing some interesting things right here. Seeing, all right, we're getting a red candle, we're bouncing off the 34 again. Like I've been saying, if you've been watching my videos, the 34 has been kind of like my bull run safety net or whatever. If things start dropping below the 50, which I don't even have on this chart right now, then I'm out. But for right now, we can see that if it's bouncing off the 34, maybe a little bit under it, is okay. If it comes back up and retest, hopefully it bounces right here, and we can see some of these parabolic levels continue to happen. And if this does happen, we can see Bitcoin go to crazy levels. And one of the things about this is, like, that could actually happen because we're talking about Bitcoin ETFs again. And in 2018, just the thought of a Bitcoin ETF pumped the price super crazy. So we'll see how this goes. If Bitcoin drops, then I have my lowest resistance right here at around 49. We're getting pretty bullish over pretty bearish right there. And then at 43, we go below 43. Yeah, something bad is happening, and that's gonna also be below the 34. So yeah, about 51. If we go to 51 and we bounce right there, that will still be a nice little bounce level for Bitcoin. Looking at the total, drew this chart in a couple videos ago. We are hitting, that 2 trillion level is that resistance that we've seen, and this chart bounced off the 34 again, and it's yet to get over this fib level, the top level of this fib right here. So just waiting for that to happen. Got a nice green candle coming in today, so hopefully that ends pretty bullish. Looking at the total too, you can see right here, had a little retest of the all-time high, and we pumped up, had a bearish day yesterday, going back green today. So let's just hope we continue up to this top level of this pitchfork, which we have been monitoring this price for a cool minute using this pitchfork, and so let's just hope it gets to that next level. So the coins that I want to talk to you guys about today, the first one is DOS. Now I haven't talked about DOS on this channel in a minute, and DOS is an Oracle coin. DOS is my first big gain in this crypto thing, like my first real big gain, because I got in DOS below pennies, and right now it is at 14 cents. First time getting back to 14 cents in a minute, so that's pretty interesting with DOS. So what's going on with DOS? So going through their Twitter, you can see they haven't made an announcement since about March 19th, when they said, hey, you missed our announcement, we got listed on another exchange. But before that, they said, hey, we have completed a milestone and we're going to publish some updates soon. I've been in their Telegram group, and there's some rumors floating around that they have a nice extensive update coming out for DOS, so we can see some of the things that they're working on over there. Last we heard from them was about their little Google partnership, and with that, I was waiting to see if they actually got listed on the Google list, to see if that's pretty cool, that if that's going to happen. But still waiting for some news from DOS, but the price has been moving lately, so I wanted to cover it. This is the DOS chart right here. So we got a nice little rounded bottom happening here. We got below the 13 and the 34. Now this is why I like to use this on the daily, because you can see once that happens, price go down, price stay down. Below the 34, price stay down, price go above the 34, price go up, get below the 34, price go down. So right now price actually got back above the 200, which is a leading indicator for a lot of traders out there. Getting above the 200 is actually a good thing for sure. We had a cross on the 13 and the 34 going up. We are testing the 13 right now, but we hit the 19 cent level once again. Now DOS has a top of about 40 cents right now, and I'm still excited about DOS and whatever they're going to release. Hopefully whatever they release is good, and we can push this price to $1 for each DOS. That will be crazy, crazy, crazy. So Omi, with the drop today, did you get your DeLorean? Let me know in the comment box. So everybody was pissed off. I was irritated this morning about the drop with Omi, but they cut the app off and then they got everything back online, and then I was actually able to get a rare and a common. Wasn't able to get the super rare, but whatever. I got the DeLorean. Now I'm just like waiting for the NFL, and I want to see, and I'm speculating because they do have Batman on the app, so I'm wondering if they're gonna have a Batmobile on there or a War Machine. That would be pretty tight. Don't quote me on that. I don't want to start no rumors, but I just think that would be pretty tight to get a Batmobile if they have it on there. So let me know what you guys think about the Omi drops and how it's working out with all of those. I know a lot of people are upset. They were thinking that, hey, it's going to affect the price a little bit. I don't think it's going to affect the price too much. I think a lot of people might get upset, but I think they're improving. It was a lot better drop from the Nightwing drop, just because they had more available for people to buy. If only like 100 people get it, then you got like 100,000 people mad that they couldn't get in, then that kind of sucks. Looking at the price though, this is the price on Bitmax. So it hasn't been on Bitmax that long, so we can't really see much, except for that on the daily it pops back above this 34. There's a theme to this video. Going to the 4-hour chart, this is what it looks like. So I was saying, look, we had this pattern right here that kind of not always, but we had a pattern here that was like, yo, this might be coming back down to this line. That's why I put this line on this chart, and look at where it bounced at. Like, holy crap, that's exactly where it bounced at. But what's cool I can see is that, look, we got there, we bounced on that 200. The 200 is now showing up on this chart, which I'm liking. It's looking like the 13 wants to go ahead and cross the 34 going up. You can see when the 13 crosses the 34 going up, price go up. When it crosses the 34 going down, price go down. So hopefully price go up from here for this thing. Now Omi has a lot of news anticipation that's building up for people that makes them want to go ahead and start looking at this project a little bit more, getting on radars. Got on BitBoy's radar. He has the biggest crypto YouTube channel, so it's getting pretty out there. I have friends of mine who are not into crypto, but they are into comics and collectibles, hitting me up saying, hey, what's up with the VV app? How come I can't get in? How do I add you? You know, a bunch of stuff on there. We're having fun with the app this morning, but I think the price is showing that it could be maybe wanting to retest. There might be a initial pump up, come down, and then go back above the 34 is what we want to see. I want to see that second cross above the 34 to go ahead and keep the price going up. Price targets for Omi that I have would simply be, you know, first things first, back to the all-time high. And then, you know, let's get to 2 cents. Let's take out the 2 cent level. That will be more than 100% right now. So that would even be crazy happening right now. Do you guys think we can get to 2 cents in April? Can we get to 2 cents in April? Like, bye. What are you guys doing? No, I'm just kidding. This is not financial advice. Everything you do is your responsibility. I'm just trying to help you. Let me know if there's anything in the comment box that you need me to make a video about, as far as tutorials, beginner stuff like that. You know, I'm just here to try to help you guys out so we can navigate this thing and we can get this money together. Speaking of getting this money together, Telegram group, you want to get in that thing? Throw your email address onto my website. Now, I'm aware that the button is showing that it's not working, but I'm getting all your guys' emails. So go ahead and throw it on there, and I'll go ahead and let you guys in there. I got about, I think it's 10 now. Because some people, like I said, some people, they were already in there and they paid. So I think it's about 10 spaces left for the group. Could be more. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but I got some spaces left for the group. If you want to get in there, let me know. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.